Hello mga friendship! Ayan si Kiang Kiang. Oh, ay, red. Basta Monday, nagsusuot si Kiang Kiang ng red. Ay, ang gwapo ni Kiang Kiang. Oh. Kiang, look at there, oh. You're so cute. Nakakita ko ng ipit mga friendship. Nilagay ko lahat sa aking hair. Shoot him that you know how to dance. Dance. Ang batang ito ay mabait itong batang ito, pero sa totoo lang, inside the camera, pero pag nasa camera siya mga friendship, hindi siya iiyak talaga mga friendship. O, tingnan mo. Pero kanina wala pang video mga friendship. Iyak na siya ng iyak, nagsisigaw na siya mga friendship. But now, look at, when he has face to the camera, he's so very pretender. May apo is pretender. Oh, hi to them. Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Mamila. This is Kiang Kiang. And we are tandem everyday, our routine. Yay! This is Kiang Kiang, and this is Mamila. We are tandem every day in the morning. What are we going to do now? Sige. Now we are going to do is Kiang Kiang is dance about our lesson for today. What is our subject for today, Kiang Kiang? About science. Children love science. Science every day. Science all the way. Children loves action. How is the love? Oh, like this. Children love science. Science every day. Science all the way. Children love science. Science every day, all the way. Ayan na, tapos na. So, we're going to study now the senses. What are the 5 senses of the body? Kiang, what are the 5 senses of the body? Our subject for today is about science. So, now let's study about the senses. So, now, what is the 5 senses of the body? Di ba? Sa mga baby, advanced subject to si Kiang Kiang because I want him that he's brilliant, excellent. Kiang Kiang, now I teach you what is the 5 senses of the body. The 5 senses of the body is sense of seeing, sense of smelling, sense of tasting, sense of hearing, sense of touching. That is the 5 senses of the body. So you know that, Kiang Kiang. Don't forget that, Kiang Kiang. Okay? Di ba? Masagutin lang ako kung apo ko. Sigay rin naman siya. So, what else? Now, math naman, math. We're going to study the English. The English naman. Kiang Kiang. The English na kami. Ano kanta sa English? You and me, we're always together forever and never, amen. Yay! English na. English subject. Our subject again that we are tackled this morning is English. Now, what do you want? My friendship, my student is there's a problem. Why you enter the school with that? You have problem. Oh, if you have the problem, do not go to school. Do not enter a school. You maintain there in the house. Okay? Now you have to tackle the subject English. You understand? English. What is sentence? Sentence. Sentence is meaning of sentence is a group of word that expresses a complete truth. Diba? Example of truth. Like utot. Make the words. You make the word utot into a sentence. Kyang-kyang. Kyang-kyang is always utotin. Every moment he's utotin. He's bomb the bad smell. So that is our lesson for this morning about the English. And that is a sentence. Now, next time you won't allow to enter my school, to enter my classes if you're not in a good mood. So, what do you want? Do we end our class? Do we end na daw? So, mga friendship, until her na. He won't allow me to proceed to other subject. It's not in a good mood. So, until her, mga friendship, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. My student is not in a good mood.